Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Dear Life. Today in this video I'll be sharing with you few important insights which every parent need to learn. The important thing is, yesterday I was going through a conversation with one of my closest friend and the senior, Mr. Surendra Singh Solanki, and the guy is having the simple philosophy in the life. No matter, life always goes through many ups and downs. Sometimes you get opportunity to earn a lot of money, sometimes you may not get that, but the important thing is what he said, it is that if you remain happy, happiness again comes to you for so many other things. Likewise, what does it mean? It means that we are always looking for so many possessions for our life, possessions like our house, possessions like our four-wheeler, possessions like so many about the bank balance, possessions about so many other accolades in the life, and then we feel that I will become happy. When I have very huge bank balance, I feel happy. When I have very big house, I feel happy. When I have my favorite car in my home, then I feel happy. He said simple, always remain happy. Things will definitely going to come for you. Now the learning which I got from this, that the very important learning here, that the people, those who are always in the exigencies and the urgencies to do the accomplishment for all those the possessions of the life, they fall into some certain type of trap. And what is this trap? They are in the hurry of completing their task or doing something, and over a period of time, because of this the exigencies, because of this the 11th hour moment, because of this all hurdles, this creates lots of hurdles, lots of problem in the life. And these people, those who are always in these exigencies or urgencies, they fall into the trap of certain diseases like hypertension, like diabetes, like so many other things. And what is the purpose of earning such money and the possessions when you are not able to enjoy that? I have seen many billionaire and millionaire, those who are suffering with diabetes, but they are unable to eat the piece of sweet. And what is the meaning and the purpose of such things in the life? So let me take you to the very important learning in the life here, and that's about the parenting. I remember the few lines from Khalil Gibran. Khalil Gibran said that your children are not your children. They are from life longing itself. What does it mean? He also said that your children are not from you. They are through you. So when it comes to, many times they are doing good. So if they are in the middle-aged people, especially they are having the young children, those who belongs to the age of around the 30, 31 or 35 or 25, whatever it is. So they become restless if their children are not achieving something what they want them to achieve. Now remember here, so this is what Mr. Solanki spoke to me yesterday night, and which has really touched deeper the aspect of my heart. What is the important thing here? That there are 3 C. He says that his daughter actually communicated this, that he and his wife, they were keep on complaining about their child, comparing their child with some others. Then he said there are 3 things, 3 C's are very much important. Do not compare, do not complain, and do not curse. I repeat again, do not complain, do not compare, and do not curse. What happened, if you are keep on complaining, if you are keep on comparing, if you are keep on cursing them for not achieving something what their parents want them to achieve, what will going to happen? They may not stop loving you, but they may stop loving themselves, and they feel the guilt inside them, and there will be a possibility that these people may not think worthwhile for themselves. And this is where the worst situation will definitely going to come. So if you are a parent and if you are listening this, if you are understanding this, my request to you, share with other people, your colleagues, those who are there in your office, in your friend circle, in your family, so that they let them understand this. When things are not going right, remember always, keep on pampering, keep on giving them the assurance that you have the power, you can do this. And that is why I always share about the success log. What is this success log? Whatever the achievement of your children you have seen in their school time, in their lifetime, anything, keep on reminding them that particular achievement, that you can do this, you can do that, you are looking so handsome, you are looking so confident. And that's the time where you really required for them, where you really required encouraging them, giving them the assurance and building their confidence. So remember always these few points which will be very helpful for you for a successful parenting. Hope this is useful to you. My request to you, please share this with others, and thank you so much for listening this and giving your time to this. Wish you all the best.